Good morning, students. Class 4. Yesterday we revised our chapter 10 word meaning and question answer. So today we will revise book exercise of chapter 10. The name of this chapter is My Neighbors. In this chapter, first in book exercise read and find. Give the name of these person who. Give the name of these person who are who is a baby doctor. हु इज अ बेबी डॉक्टर. इस चैप्टर में जैसे कि हमने स्टोरी रीड की तो जैसे मानव है, तो इस चैप्टर में जैसे मानव है जो छोटा था तो उसको जो है शॉर्ट्स कौन लगाता था इंजेक्शन. तो ये इस चैप्टर में हमने जो रीड किया उसी पे बेस्ड हमें ये बताना है कि दीज हु आर दीज पर्सन्स. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज अ बेबी डॉक्टर. यस, डॉक्टर सुधा. Dr. Sudha. The name of the doctor is Dr. Sudha. Who is a music teacher? Who is a music teacher? Yes. Yes, the answer is Mrs. Roy is a music teacher. Who fixes cars and trucks? Who fixes? Fixes means repair karna. Then the question is who repairs cars and trucks? Yes, the answer is Mr. Roy fixes cars and trucks. Yes, next, who uses a cane for walking? Who uses a cane for walking? Yes, Aunt Sheila uses a cane for walking. Who plays football with Manav? Yes, Manav के साथ फुटबॉल कौन खेलता था? His friend. The name of his friend is Nitin. Yes, Nitin plays football with Manav. Now put a tick or cross for each statement. Yes, true, false. Yes, first statement is Aunt Sheila is an old lady. Yes or no? Yes, Aunt Sheila is an old lady. Yes. Now second, Manav's house has a red roof. Yes, we see in the chapter that Manav's house has a red roof. Now next, Mr. Roy gives Manav music lesson. Yes, Manav को जो म्यूजिक लेसन कौन देता था? Who teaches music to Manav? Mr. Roy? No, Mrs. Roy. Yes, it's wrong. Yes, so we will cross it. Now next, Nitin's house is painted light green. Nitin's house is painted light green. Yes, the option is wrong, so we will cross it. Nitin's house is not painted in light green, so we will cross it. Now next, Aunt Sheila lives next door to Manav. Aunt Sheila जो है मानव का जो हाउस था उसे नेक्स्ट डोर पे रहती थी, सो नहीं रहती थी, तो सो वी विल क्रॉस इट. इट्स रॉन्ग. Now in next, Dr. Sudha has Asoka trees in her house. Yes, Dr. Sudha has Asoka trees in her house. Now next, Manav is going to spend the Sunday at Nitin's house. Manav is going to spend the Sunday at Nitin's house. Yes, मानव जो है अपने फ्रेंड नितिन के घर जाता था अपना संडे स्पेंड करने के लिए, सो इट्स राइट. So we will take it. Yes. Now next, choose the correct answer for each question. Yes, you will choose right option from the given options. First is, how long has Manav lived in the same house? How long has Manav lived in the same house? Option are for 10 years, ever since he was born. Yes, The right option, second is the right option. Ever since he was born. Ever since he was born, जब से पैदा हुआ था तब से वो सेम घर में ही रह रहे थे. Now next, what does मानव feel about his neighbors? मानव जो है अपने नेबर्स के बारे में उसकी क्या फीलिंग्स थी, या फिर उनके नेबर्स कैसे थे, वो उनको पसंद करता था या नहीं. Yes, the option are he likes all of them. He doesn't like one of them. Yes, which one is the right option? Yes, first, he likes all of them. सभी जो है उसके नेबर्स, the neighbors are very good, so he likes all of them. Yes, next is who fixed Manav's bike when it was broken? Who fixed Manav's bike when it was broken? The option are Nitin और Mr. Roy. Yes, Mr. Roy जो है वो कार्स एंड बाइक्स जो है रिपेयर, ट्रक्स जो है रिपेयर करते थे. तो मानव की बाइक भी जो है कौन रिपेयर करता था? मिस्टर रॉय. सो द राइट ऑप्शन, सेकंड इज द राइट ऑप्शन, मिस्टर रॉय. Whose house has Asoka trees in it? Yes, these are the option. Mr. Roy's house or Dr. Sudha's house? Yes, Dr. Sudha's house has Asoka trees in it. Now next, what would Dr. Sudha do to know how much Manav was growing? मानव की जो है ग्रोथ कैसी हो रही थी, वो कितना बढ़ रहा था, तो ये मेजर करने के लिए क्या करती थी डॉक्टर सुधा? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज शी वुड गिव हिम शॉट्स और सी वुड वेट एंड मेजर हिम. यस, सेकेंड इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सी वुड वेट एंड मेजर हिम. उसका वेट देखती थी और मेजर करती थी कि जो है मानव की ग्रोथ हो रही है नहीं हो रही है. Who is Mr. Roy's next door neighbor? Next door neighbor. Yes, who is Mr. Roy's next door neighbor? The option are Dr. Sudha, Aunt Sheila. Yes. Which one is the right option? Yes, second. Aunt Sheila is Mr. Roy's next door neighbor. Why does Aunt Sheila use a cane when she walks? The options are because she has fever, because she is very old. Yes, second is the right option, because she is very old. How does Manav help Aunt Sheila? Yes, the option are he takes her dog for a walk daily. He brings for her milk and apples daily. Yes, first is the right option. He takes her dog for a walk daily. How does Manav help Aunt Sheila? तो Aunt Sheila की से हेल्प हो जाती थी कि जो Aunt Sheila का डॉग था तो उसको वॉक पे ले जाता था मानव. He takes her dog for a walk daily. Yes, now next is who is Nitin? Who is Nitin? Manav's classmate, Manav's music teacher. Yes, first is the right option. Manav's classmate. Where are Manav and Nitin going to camp on Sunday? संडे को जो है मानव और नितिन कहाँ जो है कैंप में जाते थे, कहाँ लगाते थे? इन द बैकयार्ड ऑफ नितिन्स हाउस, इन द बैकयार्ड ऑफ मानव्स हाउस. तो किसके घर टेंट लगता था कैंप लगाने के लिए? तो ये जो है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द राइट ऑप्शन, इन द बैकयार्ड ऑफ नितिन्स हाउस. Yes, now next word power. Here we will put OU to complete the spellings of these words. Yes, HR में जैसे कि हमें जो ये गिवन स्पेलिंग्स है यहाँ हमें OU जो है ऐड करना है. तो फर्स्ट है जैसे आवर, सेकंड SOUP, ये सूप, SHT में SHOUT, शाउट. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट फोर्थ जैसे RGH तो ROUGH, रफ. हाउस HOUSC, हाउस. सिक्स्थ है COUGST, कॉट. सॉरी COUGH, COUGH, GH, cough. CHOULD, should. Next, MOUSE, mouse, neighbor. NEIGHBOUR. So it's neighbor. Now next is choose the correct word for each blank. Yes, options are given here. First is C dash 30 kilos. So weight or measure. So we choose weight. C weight 30 kilos. Now next, C has 2 bedrooms dash house or home. Yes, house. C has 2 bedroom house. I saw him standing dash the road. Across the road or cross the road. Yes, I saw him standing across the road. A thermometer dash temperature, weight or measure. Yes, the right option is measure. A thermometer measures temperature. He goes back dash every evening. House or home? Yes, home. He goes back home every evening. We have a dash store near our house. डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर या फिर डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर. यस, डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर. Yes, now next is you will feel this book exercise. In next, find a suitable word for each blank. See in the picture these blanks. My sister is tall. My sister is tall and slim. Her eyes are blue. She has long dark hair. People say she is very pretty. Now use in grammar. Yes, here we use options are isn't, won't, didn't, aren't, wasn't, doesn't. According to the sentence, we use these options. Choose the correct word for each blank. Mr. Roy fixes cars. Mr. Roy fixes cars. Dash he. तो यहाँ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Mr. Roy fixes car. Isn't he? Isn't he? She was my doctor. Wasn't she? You will camp with us. Won't you? They are all nice people. They are all nice people. People, aren't they? She is your music teacher. Here we use yes. Is है, so we use here isn't. We sat on the porch swing. Yes, sit or set. Set दिया हुआ है V2, so we use here didn't. We. In first, Mr. Roy fixes car. तो यहाँ es दिया हुआ है, so we use here doesn't. Yes, doesn't. In first, doesn't, and in fifth, isn't. Now next, use the given words to make question. Find from the box an answer for each question. Why you cry? So we will write here, why are you crying? Where you go? Where are you going? The answer is I am going home. What you wear? What are you wearing? My school dress. What you do here? What are you doing here? Waiting for the bus. When you come back? When will you come back? Tomorrow morning. Who you inviting to the party? Whom are you? To whom are you inviting to the party? All my friends. Yes. Okay, beta. Thank you. Revise the book exercise of chapter 10, My Neighbors. Learn also these book exercise. Yes. Okay, beta. Thank you.